In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of lag in Elden Ring Nightreign. So if you have lag in Elden Ring Nightreign, it might be just like the boss itself because some of the boss has really bad optimization. Adele, so I'm talking about Adele. Adele has a specific moveset that make your game stop. Like it happens on all of us because his attacks are really very colorful, and a lot of effects are used when you fight him, but it's mostly about graphics and stuff like that. So we're just gonna take a look and change some graphics here, and recommend some things. So let's go to advanced. Texture quality doesn't really matter for me. There's like minimal changes for me, but so I put it on medium. Anti-aliasing, this one is pretty good actually. So if your PC can handle it, go low or off. If you can't, or go high. High is okay. I put mine on high because my PC can handle it. SSAO, this is the shadow I see here. Like the quality of the shadows and the way the light bounces. So this can go off or medium. So it doesn't really matter if you go higher in this one. I put mine on high because why not? Depth of field, I got this off. Doesn't really change anything for me. Motion blur, I don't like motion blur. I hate motion blur. So I got this on off. Shadow quality, you know, pick the best you can or your PC can handle. But low is okay because we're not really looking at shadows that much. So I have mine on low. So yeah, guys. So I also have lighting quality. This doesn't really matter for me, so you can put it on low or medium. I put my medium because why not? FX quality, this is the the particles and stuff like that. I put mine on medium. Why not? You can put it on low if you want. Volumetric lighting doesn't really do anything for me. Reflection low because I'm not really looking for reflections in this game. Water surface quality, I put mine on low. Shader quality, this actually kind of affects the visuals a bit, but I put mine on medium. You can do low. So global illumination, I put my medium. Grass quality medium because Elden Ring is a fast game. You don't really need to spend time look at the reflection stuff like that. It's more of a fast-paced game, right? So for me, this is just my personal opinion. You don't really need really good graphics because the gameplay is what's more important for me. So the game still looks pretty at this graphics. Like it looks very nice, right? It looks very cool, good, but it's not really like the best because what makes Elden Ring Nightreign shine is the combat and the system itself because they're really fun. So that's how you can get rid of lag. If nothing works, you can go to Nexus mods and find a specific potato PC mod. So there's like a mod there where you can turn off all of the shadows. I'll show the screenshot here. And yeah, guys, so that's my video for today. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.